Hello everyone, this is Linisha.
Krisha Shah from Electrical Duel.
I am from Thane, which is basically Mumbai if you're stupid.
I am from Ghaziabad, UP.
I'm Rishabh Rao. I'm a memer and I'm also into air modeling and sports.
हाय आई एम आर्यमन पवार फ्रॉम जोधपुर. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बहुत नींद आती है. कुछ बच्चे तो वीडियो ऑन करके ही सो जाता है.
तू ही ये मुझको बता दे चाहूँ मैं या ना अपने तो दिल का बता दे चाहूँ मैं या ना.
I chose electrical engineering over all other departments because I think I'm good at making connections.
इलेक्ट्रिकल में फ्यूचर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स अच्छे हैं.
आईआईटी बॉम्बे में बेस्ट तो इलेक्ट्रिकल डुअल ही मिल रहा था, इसलिए ले लिया. मतलब कि कोई मोटिवेशन तो था ही नहीं बिल्कुल.
I chose electrical engineering because in future I want to work with Elon Musk in Tesla and then I want to become a CEO of Tesla.
People told me that mechanical is hard to read since it's a very vast subject and everything. Why didn't they say the same about electrical at that time?
Ever since I was a little kid, when
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
पैसे कमाने के लिए अगर जॉब नहीं मिला तो लास्ट में फ्रिज पंखा ठीक करके पैसे कमा सकते हैं. लाइफ एकदम सेट है.
I heard that the electrical engineers at IIT Bombay are tryhards. Like, these are the people who didn't get into computer science. So all of them are trying to shift their branch to computer science.
we hear many people say that electrical engineering students are a bit socially awkward.
बस ऐसा पढ़ा है मतलब कि थोड़ा हार्ड होता है.
That's what she said.
I had heard that electrical students are like padhaku kida type, but it doesn't seem so.
I've been told that people from electrical department keep failing in their tests and quizzes and then still have great high CGPA. And then it confuses me. Am I supposed to do good in the tests or bad?
घर वाले हम सोचते हैं कि जितना भी बिजली का काम है सब इसी से करवाएंगे.
ये जो बाल है ये सफ़ेद हो जाते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ कोर्स.
मैथ्स की क्लास में एक बच्चे ने माइक ऑन चालू कर दिया और बोल रहा था कि आईआईटी की बॉम्बे की क्लासेस जूम पे हो रही है वगैरह.
So there's this guy who we call DJ Vikas. At the end of math class, he plays tracks of music. Like last time he played DJ Mana Babu Mera Gana Chala Do. So we have done another WhatsApp group called the Rant Group where we cringe together about this.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
जब मुझे बॉम्बे इलेक्ट्रिकल मिल गया था उसके बाद मैंने जब लोगों को बोला कि हाँ बॉम्बे में इलेक्ट्रिकल मिल गया तो सारे लोगों का यही क्वेश्चन था कि अच्छा इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स नहीं मिला क्या.
Group pieces में बहुत time pass किया. And a few days ago, Ananya called us all friends and she wanted us to witness her just spitballing a lot of nerdy pickup lines for this video. All of them were related to electrical circuits and only half of them were family friendly.
There was someone who asked the professor about the number of girlfriends he had before marriage.
308 तक याद है. चलो आप सेफ्टी के लिए 350 लिख लो.
नहाना नहीं पड़ता है हर रोज.
माँ के हाथ का खाना.
क्लास के 5 मिनट पहले उठो, फिर क्लास देखते देखते ब्रश कर लो, कपड़े बदल लो, खाना खा लो. मतलब मोबाइल रमવાનું, જ્યુસ પીવાનું, મજા નહીં લાય.
Feel drowsy during the afternoon, say at 2, then you can watch the lectures at 2 again, but in the night.
कोई advantage नहीं है.
बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. बेनिफिट
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
We could attend lectures in our own comfort zone. Like we can lay down, eat and even sleep if we want during the lecture.
ऑनलाइन क्लास का एडवांटेज है कि कैंपस तो हम यूट्यूब पे ही देख लिए हैं पूरा.
Considering the male-female ratio at IIT Bombay and my looks, I'll be surprised if I get matched.
I remember having an electrical department and I have to bro zone her myself.
just try to find the person who made the fake profile.
It'll probably be a prank, because मैंने जितने भी बंदों से अभी बात किया है वो कोई ना कोई एक अकाउंट बनाने वाला है.
जिंदगी प्यार मोहब्बत से थोड़ी ऊपर उठ चुकी है, थोड़ा मतलब पढ़ाई करो, हाई साइड बनो.
अरे पढ़ाई कर लो थोड़ा.
कोई मैच हो जाता है तो इट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू अ ग्रेट सक्सेस. तो भैया जैसा जेई क्रैक के मजा आया था ना, वैसा ही मजा आएगा.
Did you just short a voltage source? Because I just felt a spark.
Be my assignment so I can do you all night.
अरे बेटे, तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
The doctor told that I have iron deficiency and I need to have more dates. Would you go with me?
Asking a guy for a date, मेरा style. वो मेरे लिए चिल्लाए, सीटी बजाए, that's
If there was a race of hearts, I would have won just by looking at you.
I'm not a photographer, but I can picture us together.
Do you like gas? Because I'd like you to take me out on a date.
Are you a carbon sample? Because I sure wanna date you.
एक मैं हूँ और एक तू हूँ. I wanna be with you. So go out on a date with me, please.
Are you purely resistive? Because I feel we are in phase here.
Superpower I think I would need is the superpower to gain any superpower of my choice.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Last day study and friends, of course.
I think liking whatever you do and striving for excellence in whatever you engage in.
Superpower of going invisible so that I can go to the campus.
यार माइंड रीडिंग होती तो बढ़िया रहता. कभी प्रोफेसर का दिमाग पढ़ते तो कभी लड़कियों का.
Super speed, like the Flash, so that I can finish all my assignments in just. Also, so that I can go back in time and tell that person not to eat a bad soup.
Ability to replicate myself because there's so much to do in IIT Bombay. एक अकेला इंसान कैसे कर सकता है?
To tell the truth, all the Sophies were really inspiring and we chose to follow their footsteps and stay at home.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Food Indigo and Tech Fest के ऑफलाइन इवेंट्स के बारे में बता के जलन हो रही है.
एज ईसा का है, मैं खुद इलेक्ट्रिकल से हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करने के लिए, ज़्यादा डराने के लिए नहीं कि डिफिकल्ट है.